Today, we are discussing rollovers for business startups, or ROBS. In short, ROBS will teach you how to use your retirement funds, tax-deferred, penalty, and debt-free. This innovative resource has become the fastest growing form of funding to help someone start, acquire, or grow a business. Two ROBS experts have created a series of comprehensive educational videos to help you become an educated and successful entrepreneur. The first, Larry Carnell, is the National Award-winning Entrepreneur of the Year, business and franchise expert, and Vice President of Benetrends Financial, the company that discovered this legal pathway in 1983. Carnell is recognized as one of the country's foremost ROBS experts and is credited with helping introduce this creative funding, wealth-building protection program. Joining Carnell is CPA Gary Bodie. Bodie holds a master's degree in accountancy and is considered a leading national expert on ROBS structures. He is also a business lecturer and contributing author on ROBS and C Corporation structures, which can help maximize your exit strategy benefits while minimizing your taxes. In addition, Bodie runs his own practice where he advises and works with entrepreneurs with ROBS structured businesses across the United States. Can you discuss the importance of minutes?
Well, the IRS only requires an annual set of minutes, and they're very formal generally, and they're important, but I always advise a lot of special meeting minutes, and that would be for anything that's financial that's odd. And what we do there is we try to find the reasoning, if the client did that, what we did to really look at the situation and why we're able to do certain things, or during the process find out that we can't do certain things. And beyond that, these special minute meetings, I find that people will pull them out at the end of the year and look at them and say, well, that was a good idea. Why didn't we put that into action? So it's a way to kind of almost journal, your ideas for your business. But the special meeting minutes, to establish the salary, to establish which other locations, if you got 3 locations that you can buy, why you chose that particular one. And I find that when I'm representing a client, that the auditor inevitably asks down the line for minutes, usually their 4th or 5th item, and they're really asking for the annual minutes, but then you can justify almost anything that the company did with the special meeting minutes. So that's what I find, and I know that you're going to say compliance, and I agree.
Well, anything to do with the IRS, compliance. The other thing I think is important to note, if you're doing any type of healthcare reimbursement, there needs to be notification in the minutes as well that that's being done.
Yeah.
But I think we both agree that in order to protect the corporate veil, you have to make sure that you're running the business like a corporation. And if you're not, through having board of director meetings and what have you and stipulating that, you could have somebody come in and pierce the corporate veil. That is often what gets people in trouble. They're not running the business like a corporation, and that can expose yourself to liability.
Okay.
Our next video is going to be specifically on tax returns issues, avoiding the 401k mousetrap or tax trap.